Hello YouTube, so today I am back with another YouTube video.
Had no role model, I'm the girl's role model. Yeah. Stepping over haters, bitch, I'm in Balenciaga. I'm a robber, any robbers for them blue dollars. Huncho, ride foes, I'm a crypto. Southside with my brothers like a strip pole. Jack girl, pretty face with a big pole. Elevator smoked out on the top floor. Asian door, treat a bitch on like hoe.
What's up, y'all? So as y'all can see by the title, y'all already know what I'm finna be doing today, period. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below some more video ideas, period. Now to go to baby, what are you doing, baby? Subscribe, baby. Make sure y'all go follow my Instagram, go follow at Lazy Kentron. Make sure y'all shout at Lazy Kentron, period. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram and go like all my pictures and all that. As y'all can see by the title, y'all already know that I'm going to be doing a video on how to be a successful YouTuber. So I got, well, this one girl, this other YouTuber who lives, like, she don't live near me, but, like, she don't live near me, but she live, like, I'm not going to tell y'all where she live, but she a YouTuber. Make sure y'all go subscribe to her channel. I'm put her channel probably in the link in the description. So, yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe to her channel. She recently DM'd me and asked me, I'm gonna put the screenshot of the DM right here because she be making my intros. She made intros. She made my business logo. She made all that. So make sure y'all shop with her. Period. Okay. Little notebook full of all the stuff that I went to get these ads in my videos, start getting paid, start doing all that. So reading y'all off this before I did this video, then I wrote everything down that y'all needed to know to be in order to get paid from YouTube. Yeah, let's just hop right into this video. So the first step is as y'all know, to be on YouTube, you gotta have a phone to record your videos on. You don't have to start with a camera. You don't have to go buy a camera because that could wait until you know you really finna start So the first step that I have on the screen is start with whatever you have. Start with whatever you have. Preferably an iPhone, but preferably an iPhone, like not an iPhone 4 or iPhone 5, no shades on, like a 6 and up. Start with an iPhone. I still record on my iPhone. I got an iPhone XR. I'm recording on it right now, and the screen is pretty clear because it's iPhone XR. I'm not saying the iPhone 6 camera isn't clear, but yeah, start with what you have. Start with any phone. I mean, I never use Android for YouTube, but I mean, you gotta start with whatever you gotta start with, period. Okay? So yeah, I prefer 6 and up, or you can start with, I never seen nobody start with a Android, but I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, and that's on, period. Next step that I have is make sure that you have good lighting. So good lighting, y'all see I got good lighting. I got a ring light, y'all can see it reflected in my eyes. I got this, my brother got this for me for Christmas. At first, I made a homemade one. I'm gonna go get it real quick, hold up. Guys, so the first thing that I started with was this. This is like a ring light, but whew, I just had to run up some stairs, y'all. I'm out of breath. With this is a selfie ring light, a selfie light or something. I think it's dead in the charge, but as y'all can see, turn it up as far as you want it. And so I started with this. I put it on my phone, clipped it. Matter of fact, let me try to clip it on here. It don't do nothing because this ring light, but I started with this, period. It's a selfie ring light. You can get it. I got it off AliExpress, I think, but now they got them in stores. Like, they got them in Walmart. They got them in Family Dollar. They don't got them in Dollar Tree. I don't know. They might got them in Dollar Tree, but yeah, I seen some in Family Dollar and all that. So yeah, you can go to the dollar store, get you one for $5, period. It's a ring light, okay, period. Same thing, since I didn't have the money to get a ring light for real. I was gonna get a ring light like eventually because I had got a job and I started working and making my own money. but I'm gonna get one. But then my brother got me one for Christmas, so period. Shout out to my brother. Make sure y'all go watch my unboxing it video, period. So eventually I'm gonna get a new one of these too, because like, well, it's good. I don't know. But before I got this one that I'm using right now, my mom made me a homemade one. You can make you a homemade one, period. Like under $10. No, under $20. I say under $20. So basically, we went to Walmart and we went in the garden aisle, and then like as y'all can see, it's like a little wreath they use for plants. I don't know, but y'all know, like if your grandma or you or your mom or somebody plant and stuff, they use this little green thing. And then like these lights, these are LED lights. They only costed like, I don't know, but we got them from Walmart. They was not that much. They was like $10 or something. It came in a little thing, a little like wraparound. And these are garden lights. They for your garden. So we went in the garden or whatever, and then it's like a little plug-in. I will plug it in for y'all, but I don't feel like it. But it works really well. If y'all go watch my old videos, then y'all will see that I was using it. So yeah, and then we just use zip ties all around so they could stay in. It's kind of falling apart, but yes, this is a very good period. Okay, so if y'all want a video on me making one of these, I'll go buy some more stuff and then we can make one, period. Or I'll get this away. Y'all want me to get this away? I get this away. If y'all really serious and starting YouTube, I will get this away. But this is what I started with. This first, and then this. So you can start with what you have. Or, well, I didn't already have this, but it was cheap. It was only $5, $10 cheap. So the next thing that I have on my list is, yeah, make sure you have good lighting, and make sure that you move around, like not move around like if you're doing a vlog or something, make sure you move around, make sure you're not in the same spot. Don't nobody like looking at the same spot. Like I'm in the same spot, but I'm telling y'all, like my list is, let your audience know what type of content you will be posting on your channel. Just know that you're gonna be doing pranks, you're gonna be doing vlogs, whatever you want to do there on your channel. You're gonna be making lip gloss on your channel. You're gonna be, or you can just tell them you're gonna be doing it all. You just going with the trend, cause that's what I did. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm just trying to, y'all. Just start with what you have. Make sure you tell your audience what type of content that you're gonna be posting, just so your audience, or when you gain audience, that they'll be interested in your channel because they know what you're gonna be posting and they're gonna like what you be posting. So yeah, just make sure you let your audience know when you start your channel. Like, do a get to know me, tell them what you can be doing or whatever. Just do all that. So yeah. And last but not least, y'all, this video not over, but last but not least, follow the trend, like, period. Like, if you're doing pranks on your channel, y'all know Damien, Bianca, Queen, and Clarence, all the other YouTubers, named Sierra and Jordan, Jad and Tay, y'all see they doing, like, not even pranks, like challenges, like eating red foods for 24 hours. Just follow the trend on YouTube. Like, you know, they be saying, like, the other YouTubers be trying to say, well, other YouTubers do copy, but obviously they had to get it from somewhere. Like, they be saying YouTubers be copying. They don't be copying. They just be following the trend. Everybody's just following the trend for real. So, just do what you gotta do. Follow the trend. Everybody gonna like just follow the trend. That's all I gotta say, for real. Whenever y'all channel get up there and stuff, and I'm gonna tell y'all, like, how monetization goes. So if y'all don't know what monetization is, monetization for YouTube is where you start getting, well, you don't start getting paid. You get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours in watch time. And YouTube review your channel, see if your content is the right kind of content, because y'all know y'all can't just post any type of content on YouTube, because yeah, YouTube don't play that. So if you posting like videos that's not made for kids, because y'all know the kids always on YouTube. If you making videos, well, you could put your video on restricted mode, or you could put it on the video not for kids. But YouTube don't play for none of that. They don't go for none of that. So yeah, just make sure y'all know what y'all doing whenever y'all posting content, because y'all some of the YouTubers just be letting this money get to their head. They start getting paid real good. Then they just start just doing anything that comes to their head, and then boom, YouTube take their channel. In order to get monetized, you must have 1,000 subscribers, and 1,000 subscribers, like everybody think that'll come fast, but you have to work for it. You have to, period. You have to do, okay, you have to work hard. Like, it's not just gonna come as fast as you think it will come. Like, a long time, but I think it only took me a long time because I stopped posting on YouTube for a long time, and that's where I'm getting to. That's what I'm getting to. You must have 1,000 subscribers to start making money on YouTube, and then you must have 4,000 watch time hours, and the 4,000 watch time hours are very important. That's why, like, I know y'all be watching these kind of videos trying to figure out like how you gonna get paid and stuff, and then, you know, all the YouTubers be telling you that you have to be consistent. That's where the 4,000 watch time hours come in. You have to, if you post every day, then the 4,000 hours in watch time will come, like, it will come fast if you be consistent. You don't have to post every day, because I don't post every day. But if you post and you consistent, like, figure out how many times you want to post a week, then the 4,000 watch time hours is going to come fast. It's just going to keep on adding up. Now you just got to get the 1,000 subscribers. That's why the YouTubers be telling y'all to, like, post consistent, because you need the 4,000 hours in watch time. And if you post videos and people watching your videos, and then you just steady posting, people steady watching your videos, and then it's going to be so easy to get the 1,000 hours in watch time. So 4,000, I mean. So yeah, that's why they tell you to be consistent, because that's the secrets. Okay, so let me tell y'all a little something about what happened to me. I'm gonna screenshot, like, whenever YouTube send me my email and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all like what email you should get whenever you finna get monetized, and how monetized go. Like, when you get monetized, you don't automatically just get monetized. You gotta get accepted into, I'm gonna let y'all know in a minute, but let me tell y'all what I went through. Okay, so I wrote it down on this. So when I finally got the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch time hours, well, I thought I had 4,000 watch time hours, but I had to keep on posting, keep working for it. So I got my 4,000 watch time hours, as y'all can see, because period. So whenever I got to where I need to be, then YouTube sent the email, and I'm not sure, but I'm posting on the screen. My bad if I lied on this, but I think it was January. So whenever I got my email, it was in January, and I didn't see it because I wasn't checking my email, because I didn't think I could do it. I knew I had the 4,000 and 1,000 subscribers, but I thought, because y'all know YouTube, like, it's so many, like, creators on YouTube, they gotta go through other people. Like, I gotta understand, well, I had to understand that I wasn't the only YouTuber that was finna get monetized, because there's a lot of creators out here trying to, you know, make their coins too. So I'm like, they ain't even studying me. It's other YouTubers out here making better content than me. They ain't even doing that. So I wasn't really, first of all, if you want to do YouTube for the money, then don't do it, because it ain't gonna come as fast as you think. As fast as you can make money, don't do YouTube, okay? So, like I was saying, I thought that, like, I knew I could do it, but, like, I was like, they ain't really studying me. They gotta get the other creators done first, and this is whenever quarantine has started happening, so I got time to do more videos. And then, like, I was watching other people, and I was watching videos on how, like, why YouTube not, like, you know, why they not sending my stuff, and then they was telling me that I had to wait a few months whenever it had been 3 months, but, like, y'all know, whenever y'all want something to come, then y'all want it to come. But, so yeah, so whenever I first got all my stuff done, then they had sent the email in January. I think if they didn't, I'm gonna put the picture right here, but if they didn't, then I'm sorry. But yeah, so I got the email in January, but I wasn't really paying attention to my email because I wasn't that thirsty, first of all. Well, I was thirsty, but I wasn't thirsty. So I wasn't really checking my email, and then this one morning I had woke up for work, and then someone told me to check my email, so I checked my email, and then I looked up YouTube because it'd be heck of people emailing me, like, cause you know when you subscribe to whatever. So I had went to YouTube, and then it said you passed the 1,000 and 4,000 watch time hours. Click here or something to like you could apply for monetization. So I was like, I'm putting it on the screen, y'all. So that really, like, I really got so excited. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna be a real YouTuber, like, period, all that. Ain't nobody gonna be able to tell me nothing because, period. So I was excited or whatever. I didn't see it till March, I think. And then it took me, whenever I didn't see it, it took me longer to get monetized because whenever I got the email, then I should have lickety smack went to apply for monetization. But I wasn't really paying attention to my email and stuff. So, yeah. So, I was very excited. I was like, oh my gosh. Like, they looked at my page like, period, I'm the real YouTuber. Like, don't tell me nothing. Period. So, I was excited. And then, as soon as I seen that email, like, I was doing my research, but I wasn't really doing my research like I should. So I was like, so I thought I could start putting like ads in my videos and stuff, because I'm thinking like, period, like YouTube is putting like, YouTube just doing all that, period. So I thought I could start putting ads in my videos, but I didn't know that I had to get accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. So this is where the YouTube Partner Program come in. The YouTube Partner Program is where you is the real YouTuber, like, period, like, don't even play. So it took YouTube like 5 freaking months. No, it wasn't that long. It took like 2 months to review my channel to see if I had the right type of content and if I could get all that. So I was at the grocery store with my mom. And then, like, I thought I got a YouTube notification. And I thought it was just somebody subscribing to my channel. Because if somebody got a channel and they subscribe to my channel, then it let me know that they subscribe to my channel. And excuse the background because they can excuse me. But so yeah, I thought it was just a YouTube notification. And then it was like, I think I screenshotted my home screen too. If I still got the screenshot, I'm gonna put it on the screen. But I believe that I did screenshot it, and I was like, oh my gosh. And I almost started screaming in the store because it was like, congratulations, you have been. And I was like, oh my God, I didn't even read the whole email. Y'all was like, Mom, oh my gosh, like, for real? I was like, oh my gosh. So, and then after that, then I was just so happy because I was like, I'm the real YouTuber. Like, I'm a YouTuber, like, period. You can't even tell me nothing. So it took like 3 months for them to do all that and stuff. And then you officially a YouTuber, like, period. So, and then I wrote like some little tips, like, if you're doing YouTube for the money, don't even do it because it ain't gonna come like as fast as you can go to work at a fast food place and get you some money. It ain't gonna work like that. That was the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below if you guys like this. Comment down below some more video ideas. And make sure if y'all want me to do another like video about how to be successful, then comment down below. Peace. Golden baby.